Okay, we got our head here. We measured the inside to where we want to put our screws to go into our block here. And we drilled a hole in here, and then we bored it out a little bit so we can inset our screws so we can cover them up with putty later. So I'm going to get this connected. You see we got the block here, and we're going to screw it in to here to hold it. We can inset these screws, that way when we seal it we'll cover these up with putty because that'll stay in there. And then we're going to put a little bit of glue on here so that block won't turn on you when you're using it. You can see the mouth doesn't open up enough, so we're going to take some off down in here, curve this down a little bit, and then we should get the mouth to be able to open and close okay. Thanks for watching.